Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add Athena Network to Trust Wallet in just a few simple steps. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open your app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the icon for this. Just simply tap on it. Now click on search bar and search for Athena Network. Now just simply toggle this option over here. Now go back to your Trust Wallet home screen and scroll down and click on this Athena network over here. Once you click on it, now tap on receipt. After you tap on receipt, you'll be provided with wallet address and QR code. Just simply copy that wallet address. Now go to your other crypto wallet, whether it's Binance or KuCoin. Just simply go over there and select send and paste this wallet address that you just copied from Trust Wallet and confirm the transaction. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add Athena Network on your Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.